Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
How to view, export and extract OFT files using all-in-one solution OFT Forensics tool. Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 OFT Converter wizard on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it. This utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. Now, go to Open tab at the extreme left of the software panel and click on it. After that, select an option from either Choose Files or Choose Folders. We are selecting the Choose Folder option to upload OFT emails. Wait, the software is analyzing the OFT mailboxes. Here, click on the OFT mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the OFT folder are listed one by one. Now, click the email to view the message. This way, you can preview the OFT email message with all the properties and elements such as signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. The software also lets you see the properties of OFT emails separately. Click on Properties option to view all the email's properties easily. For an investigator, the header information of an email is a valuable source. Using this OFT viewer, you can see the email header preview. Click on the Message Header option to get the essential details. This great utility also enables you to see the hex view of the email. Just tap on the Hex View tab. A forensic investigator can also view the raw information of the email. Please click on Raw Message option to get the preview. This OFT Forensics wizard has many helpful features such as quick search and advanced search option. These help you filter OFT email information, also find out any word, text, or other information in the message. As you can see the Search tab in the software panel, this feature helps one to search for data in the selected folder. Just enter the keyword and search the information in the related emails of the folder. The software highlights your searched keyword in the yellow color. This way you can search keywords in other mailboxes. Now, let's move on and understand how the advanced search helps you in examining OFT mailboxes. This feature enables you to search in the entire OFT mailbox. So, choose a particular item in the search inbox. We are selecting emails, for example. You can choose according as per requirement. After that, select a required field like name, subject, from, to, CC, and more as per the need. We are picking up the content field and tap on the Find button. As you can see, all the mailboxes containing that have a specific keyword comes as the results. Click on the email and get your required information. This secure application also allows you to save the OFT mailbox into multiple saving options. Moreover, you can extract attachments, email addresses, phone numbers from the OFT mailbox. So, let's start with multiple saving options. The utility provides separate export and extract option, as you can see in the software window. go to the Export tab and select PDF to continue to the process. Now, check the required OFT mailbox to save it into PDF file format. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you see, there are many options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Another one has included properties. Please enable this option if you want to see emails with their respective features and elements. Next is show page numbers. If you enable this option, then it allows you to insert page numbers in PDF document. The last one is saving attachments in a folder. Enabling this option, you have the freedom to save attachments in a separate folder. Now, finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process to convert OFT files into PDF file type in the software panel. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. All the OFT email messages are successfully exported in PDF file format. Click on the OK button. Now, let's check the final results. Click on Open Folder button. As you can see, all the OFT mailboxes are successfully converted to PDF format with all the properties and elements. That's all for this video. We hope you get a good understanding of how to view and convert OFT files to PDF format with attachments. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.